Welcome to our deep dive into the world of get-rich-quick schemes. Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Want to make serious money with just one click? Well, you've probably seen those ads promising millions overnight. But is it really that simple? Let's dive into the truth behind these get-rich-quick schemes. These ads often target our desire for financial freedom. They paint a picture of a life of luxury, achieved with minimal effort. But the reality is far different. While it's true that you can make money online, it requires hard work, dedication, and often specialized skills. There's no magic button that will instantly make you rich. Beware of these common red flags. Overly promising returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. High-pressure tactics. Legitimate businesses won't rush you into decisions. Request for personal information. Be cautious about sharing sensitive details. Lack of transparency. Avoid opportunities that are vague or secretive. If you're serious about making money online, consider these legitimate strategies. Freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Blogging. Build a niche blog and monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. E-commerce. Sell products online through platforms like Shopify or Amazon. Digital marketing. Learn digital marketing skills and offer services to businesses. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or write ebooks. Remember, there's no shortcut to success. Building a sustainable online income takes time, effort, and a realistic mindset. Don't fall for the allure of get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, focus on learning valuable skills and building a solid foundation for your online business. Like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. Share this video with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching. Check out the links to relevant resources and follow us on social media. See you in the next video.